Hello all. Today I'm going to talk about the causes of dyslexia. But before discussing about the cause, it is necessary to present few basic things. Dyslexia is one of the most common learning disorders in which the ability of reading will be disrupted. Children with dyslexia find it difficult to process certain information. They will be confused at the time of writing, and they commonly look confused between a small BD, P and Q and other similar letters. They also may have difficulty calling objects by their correct names. But I just want to tell one thing. Confirming learning disability takes knowledge, skills and sophisticated testing. Many children find difficulty in B&D or have difficulty in organizing their reading or writing. But this alone is not necessarily an indication of learning disability. With a reasonable amount of teaching, many of these children or students can correct these kind of mistakes. Now we can talk about the causes of dyslexia. The cause of dyslexia is uncertain, but some area of investigation look promising. Researchers have been exploring the possibilities that particular area of the brain are damaged or are in a destructive competition with one another. Autopsy of dyslexic individual have revealed jumbling of a brain neuron as well as the occurrence of myelination neuron in location where myelinated neuron usually are located. That means, and this particular data presented by Clark and Gonsell in 1982. That means there must be in some specific area of the brain there must be myelinated neuron, but just because of a few regions there are non-myelinated neuron and their brain is not functioning in right manners. That's why individuals develop dyslexia and they are presenting all these kind of problems. So there are sophisticated location or point there must be myelinated neuron, and if there are no such myelination or if there are no myelinated neuron, then it could be the cause of dyslexia according to Clark and Gonsell. Another possibility is involved the inheritance of dyslexia. For many years, it has been known that dyslexia runs in families. This is also true for a number of other learning disabilities. So when we talk about other learning disabilities, we consider genes could be a cause for learning disabilities. The use of highly sophisticated forms of genetic analysis, that is presented by Smith and Kimberling, and they have found strong evidence for the existence of a dominant genes on chromosome 15, and they are responsible for a specific reading disability or dyslexia, we can say. The findings are not completely conclusive because this determination was made statistically and the actual genes itself has not been isolated. So this is fairly fairly good evidence that such a reading disability can be inherited. But keep in mind, dyslexia may exist or may have many regions. This region may be just one or two, So I just want to tell this is one or two cause, So dyslexia may be there in individual, in child for many regions. So we need to keep in mind. If you like this kind of video, do subscribe our channel, and if you have any feedback, please mention your view and feedback in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.